It is important for the team to have common goals for direction for the team. This should be done early in the process so that everyone is on the same plan, and it develops a sense of team effort. Next, the group would do the research portion of their development. The team would evaluate the current curriculum and standards to see where they plan to go and where improvements on the current curriculum can be made. Third, the team would actually develop the curriculum, including the learning types they have chosen to use. Next, the team would pilot test the curriculum to see where improvement is needed and where any gaps in learning may occur. In this step, changes to learning methods or lessons can be made. Lastly, the group would fully implement the curriculum. However, in a preferential setting, the team would have continuous evaluation and changes to the curriculum. The steps of curriculum development flow from one to another, each step leading into the next. In the first step of curriculum development, the team would want to evaluate standards and requirements of the course. This would set the goals for future development of the curriculum, and it would help solidify the roles and responsibilities of team members. The standards and requirements would help all of the following steps fall into place. From the standards and requirements of the course, the outline of the course should come easily. Making an outline of the course will also help group lessons into units. Next, once the units are developed, the unit goals and objectives can be set, and from them, the lessons and materials for each unit can be developed. Last, before moving on to implementing the instruction, the team should develop assessments to evaluate the effectiveness of the curriculum and to assure that students have learned what information they need.
The team members of a curriculum development are as follows: the project lead administrator, curriculum developer, instructional designer, and the faculty member / subject matter expert. The project lead administrator. Their main role of the project leader is to create a structured method for developing the curriculum. They are, of course, the leader. They serve as the group leader and help to set the tone of cooperation between group members. They, of course, would oversee the entire development process. The roles of the project leader are as follows. First, organize the team and the team meetings. Second, help other members understand their roles. Maintain structure through all their meetings, and of course to prioritize what goals they need to focus on. They should also help each team member know their responsibilities of what they are going to do as part of the team, as well as setting those deadlines to keep everyone in pace and to help motivate the team as well. Curriculum developer. So what they do as a curriculum developer is to ensure the curriculum meets the standards of the course. The curriculum developer would also serve following curriculum development to assist educators in administering the curriculum. And all of this is data driven to get the best curriculum and experience out for the learners. The roles of the curriculum developer are as follows. Analyze test data. They use curriculum standards in all areas. Research best instructional methods. They find resources. They also help to make an outline and units for the curriculum. They will also help plan lessons and ways to implement them for the educator. And would also help develop assessments. They will also develop training for the faculty to improve the use of these assessments and other tools that have been created. The instructional designer. An instructional designer's main role is to use the learner's needs as they develop the curriculum. That way they can best help and suit the learner's needs. They work with learning styles and methods of different types of learners. Instructional designers would also help use technology in the application of the curriculum. Roles of instructional designer. To learn and educate others on different learning methods. They will also help create the outline and sequence of units and learning. Discover and review Technological methods help to train teachers to implement learning strategies for students, identify target learners as well as their needs. They will help find instructional resources to assist their educators and help develop technology teaching methods. A faculty member or the matter expert is there to give advice on curriculum development in relation to the member's expertise and background. Included are important and relatable benchmarks that can help them improve this development. This teacher should be heavily involved with the faculty member or expert to create the implementation of a curriculum. And the reason is that teachers have the necessary expertise to help better the outcomes and give their point of view. Roles of faculty members or matter experts. They are as follows. They conduct needs assessments, help with student data analysis, identify any gaps between knowledge and practice, work with an instructional designer and the educators, collaboratively design activities for the learner. The relationship between curriculum development teams is very much intermingled. All of the parts of the puzzle of the team work together. So the project leader will not only work with the instructional designer and the curriculum developer, but they will also work with the faculty member and subject matter expert. Same goes for the other teammates. All parts of the team work with each other, and that is to create the best atmosphere of learning for the learner. Best practices for designing learning experiences. First off, and most importantly in my opinion, is to involve all of the stakeholders. That is the key part of collaboration into creating the best results for our learners. You need to make faculty a key part of this process. As quoted by Cutler in 2011, people feel they will lose power, confidence, and a sense of identity. As schools help faculty and other stakeholders see how the benefits of redesign outweigh the costs, they'll receive more of an enthusiastic support. They also will allot sufficient resources to help accomplish their goals and deeply scrutinize and review over potential changes to make sure that they are the best of practice.